Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to increase impressions on Fiverr gigs. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in this website where I found a guide that explained what are impressions on Fiverr and how to get more of them. As a Fiverr seller, you want to increase the count of impressions on your gigs. Irrespective of your gig category, the more people see your gig, the more they click and the more orders they place. So basically, guys, in order to increase impressions on Fiverr, there is some steps like Fiverr gig SEO. The best way to increase Fiverr gig impressions is by ranking your gig on the first page of Fiverr search results for highly specific search filters. And for that, you need to master Fiverr gig SEO. This essentially means you need to find appropriate keywords to be used in your Fiverr gig and placing them strategically across your gig's metadata. Additionally, adding those keywords to your Fiverr profile description tells the algorithm that all your services are highly centralized around the gig category relevant to the keywords. Promoting your gigs. Promoting your gigs through social media and other channels helps your gig to be seen by more people. It generates a large number of impressions. However, the click through rate might be lesser than when compared to impressions on Fiverr. It helps you tap into a whole new market outside of Fiverr. Stay online often. Use the Fiverr app to stay online as long as frequently as you can. Fiverr allows buyers to set filters to include only those sellers who are online. You can make it to the top of the list, such buyers, thus boosting your impression count. Maintaining a high response rate, Fiverr exists to serve the buyers. The happy buyers are with your services, the more people Fiverr shows your gig to. A high response rate indicates that you give special attention to buyer satisfaction, which Fiverr values. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.